Good day, sir, madam. I'm Juby Gracia. I'm 27 years old. I have one child. I'm a graduate in BS in Commerce.
Good day, Miss Jovi. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What are the advantages of the employer they will hire you?
I'm responsible, trustworthy, and also honest.
Can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I can take care of children by giving food, giving proper time, and love them.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do?
I will apologize and say sorry, and I will not do it again.
Okay, so do you have a message to your employer?
Mom, sir, please do hire me. I need this job for my family and also for my baby. I promise to finish my contract for 2 years.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jovi. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Madam, sir.